Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are talking about Nijut Moina Scheme, which is started by Assam government to provide financial assistance to the girl students in government and venture education institutions. So today we are discussing about how you can fill up Nijut Moina Scheme in Assam. So you will get financial assistance. What are the requirements that you need to fulfill, and what are the benefits of this scheme? So let us start without any wasting any time. So if you do not subscribe our channel, please subscribe. Then if you look at the screen, there is an application form in front of you. So in application form, you need to download this, then take a printout and fill up all these details in a correct manner. So first of all, you need to provide your personal information, which means you have to provide your name. Write your full name in capital letters. Then select marital status, single or married. Choose anyone. Enter your date of birth. In the next, you have to enter your father or mother name. Then you have to enter the religion. Now you need to provide your valid mobile number. After entering your mobile number, you need to provide all the information about correct details about your Aadhaar number. So in address, you need to provide your city, pin code, block, municipality, committee, police station nearby, district, and then fill up Aadhaar details. So you also know where you can find Aadhaar number in your Aadhaar card. Below you will get digit numbers, so you need to enter these here. So now you need to enter a name of LAC. After all fill up these information, you need to provide some educational details. Like now move to another section, which is educational details. Okay, so in educational details, you need to provide name of institution which you have passed. So you need to provide the name of your institution. Now last examination, which examination you have last passed. If you have completed 12th, then you need to provide enter 12th. If you have completed graduation, BA, BCom, then you need to provide that information. Now you need to provide your year of uh, examination passed, in which year you passed the exam, roll number. Then you need to provide name of your university. Okay, in the next, you need to provide university registration number. This you can find from your university as well. So you need to now check admitted through government deputation, if yes or no. In the last and the C section of this application form, you need to provide your account number. So in this, you have to be very careful. Provide your correct details of your bank account. Then you need to provide IFSC code. If you don't know what is IFSC code, go to your bank and ask them to provide your IFSC code. There is another way. If you have your bank passbook, you will get your IFSC code there. Account holder name, bank name. Then you need to provide branch name. In the next, you need to signature head of institution, parents signature, and the signature of student. So you need to fulfill all these details. And in the next, we discuss now moving to the next application, which is for higher secondary students, for higher secondary BA, BSc, BCom, MA, MSc, B.Ed first year students. There are all these details that in the previous are same. You need to provide all these details clearly. Okay, in the next, there is another application form which is for postgraduate first year MA, MSc, MCom. So this application is differently mentioned for as per categories or education qualification. Details you need to mention are all are same. Okay, there is a last which is for undergraduate first year BA, BSc, BCom. Okay, so these are the details you need to provide. So I hope you like our this video. So if you like it, then kindly subscribe our channel to know latest about Nijut Moina scheme. Thank you very much. Thank you and welcome.